how to remove and replace the cabin air filter in an HRV. So open up your glove box. There is a little piston on the side here that kind of gives it that nice slow open. So you want to go underneath it, or sorry, above it. There's kind of like a indent that has notches you can kind of push your thumb on. Support the glove box and kind of push down with your thumb. And then now that is released. So again, you just kind of push down with your thumb. Now to get the glove box fully open, there's these little, let me grab a flashlight so you can see, these little tabs that you need to kind of flex the glove box to get the tabs out from that little notch. So maybe I'll try holding this so you can see. So you kind of flex the glove box until that comes out. Maybe I'll do this side so you can see. So again, flex there. So you can kind of see how it's popped out of there. Do the same on this side. Oops. There we go. Okay, so now I've got that undone. Now this is going to drop all the way and everything is going to come out. So ideally you would use two hands to do this and not have one hand holding the phone. But there is the cover for the cabin air filter. So I'm just going to just grab all this stuff out, make a big mess. Here's the cabin air filter. So cover, little clip, pop, clip over here, pop that out. There's the cabin air filter. Just kind of put your finger on it, grab the pleats, slide it out. One thing to be careful of, sometimes there might be leaves and stuff on there. So if you start pulling it out, and you hear stuff scraping and it's kind of stuck, and if you keep pulling all the way out, all those leaves and debris are going to fall right into your fan, and then it's really hard to get it out of there. So one thing you can do is, if you feel that it's kind of there's something on there, take a piece of like a laminated piece of paper or a fairly thin piece of cardboard or cardstock, slide it underneath the air filter, and then when you pull the air filter out, all the debris will fall onto the piece of paper. I hope that kind of makes sense. So basically take like a laminated sheet, slide it underneath the filter, then slide the filter out, and any debris will get caught on top of the piece of paper, and then you can kind of fish it out without it falling down to your fan. Then you're going to take a new filter, slide a new filter in, put this cover back on, like so. Take a glove box, pop it up, take this thing, slide it in, click it up, like so, put everything back in the glove box, and that's it.